Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we share practical tips and tricks on how to manage your finances better. Today's video is all about cutting expenses and saving money on a tight budget. Many of us struggle with budgeting and finding ways to save money, so we have put together the ultimate guide to help you tackle this challenge. In this video, we will cover a variety of strategies that can help you reduce expenses and increase your savings. So, without further ado, let's get started. Section 1: Assess your current financial situation. Before you can start cutting expenses and saving money, it's essential to assess your current financial situation. This involves understanding your income, expenses, and debt. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses to see where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Another important step is to review your debt and come up with a plan to pay it off. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly eat into your budget, so it's crucial to tackle it as soon as possible. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfers to reduce your interest rates and make payments more manageable. Section 2: Cut your monthly expenses. Now that you have assessed your current financial situation, it's time to start cutting expenses. There are many ways to reduce your monthly expenses, including negotiating bills and subscriptions. Many companies are willing to offer discounts or promotions to keep customers. Don't be afraid to ask for a better deal on your cable, phone, or internet bill. Reduce your energy usage. Making small changes, such as turning off lights when you leave a room, can add up to significant savings on your energy bill. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try to cook meals at home instead. You can save money by buying in bulk, using coupons, and planning your meals in advance. Cancel unused subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and cancel any that you no longer use or need. Section 3: Increase your income. Cutting expenses is essential, but increasing your income can also make a significant difference in your budget. Consider these options. Find a side hustle. There are many ways to make extra money, such as freelancing, selling items online, or driving for a ride-sharing service. Ask for a raise. If you have been at your job for a while and feel that you deserve a raise, don't be afraid to ask. Sell items you no longer need. You can sell items you no longer need, such as clothing, electronics, or furniture, to make extra cash. Section 4: Save money on essential expenses. While it's essential to cut expenses, some expenses are necessary, such as housing, transportation, and healthcare. Here are some tips on how to save money on these essential expenses. Housing. Consider downsizing to a smaller home or apartment, or finding a roommate to split the rent. You can also negotiate your rent or consider moving to a more affordable area. Transportation. Use public transportation, carpool, or consider downsizing to a more fuel-efficient vehicle. Healthcare. Look for ways to save on healthcare expenses, such as using generic medications, shopping around for services, or negotiating your medical bills. Section 5. Set savings goals and stay motivated. Setting savings goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. Consider setting both short-term and long-term goals, such as saving for a down payment on a home or building an emergency fund. To stay motivated, try these tips. Visualize your goals. Create a vision board or visualize what achieving your financial goals will look like to help you stay motivated. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way, such as paying off a credit card or hitting a savings milestone. Hold yourself accountable. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can hold you accountable and provide support when needed. Section 6. Embrace a frugal lifestyle. Finally, embracing a frugal lifestyle can help you save money and live within your means. Here are some tips on how to adopt a frugal mindset. Shop smart. Look for deals and discounts, use coupons, and buy items in bulk. DIY. Learn how to do things yourself, such as cooking, cleaning, and basic home repairs. Reduce waste. Cut down on waste by using reusable bags, containers, and water bottles. Prioritize experiences over things. Focus on experiences over material possessions, such as spending time with loved ones or enjoying nature. In conclusion, cutting expenses and saving money on a tight budget may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible. By assessing your current financial situation, cutting your monthly expenses, increasing your income, saving money on essential expenses, setting savings goals, and embracing a frugal lifestyle, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. We hope you found this ultimate guide helpful, and if you have any tips or strategies that have worked for you, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it valuable. Thank you for watching.